Hello, myself Musab. I'm basically a private online educationist for Cambridge, Pearson, AQA, and OCR students. So here we have IGCSE 0580 Maths. It's actually a test. I gave it to my students as well. So we're going to be solving that. Alright, starting with the first question. Okay, the diagram shows an isosceles triangle. Alright, that's great that they have already mentioned it's an isosceles triangle. If it's not mentioned, you can clearly ultimately predict from here that whenever these two lines are made, it means the length of this side and this side, they both are equal. Okay. And in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. So 41, this will also be 41. Simple. Now, as well, like in a triangle, the sum of all angles is 180 degrees. So I can just subtract 180 minus the remaining angles, which is 41 plus 41. It's going to be 180 minus 82, and your final answer would be 98. Make sure to write your answers here. Okay, this is your 98 degrees. Before 2025 till 2024 October November, paper 2 was of calculator as well. Like paper 2 and paper 4 both were of calculator. I'm talking about the extended one. But from 2025 onwards, the paper 2 will be of non-calculator. So you should somehow know how to solve these easier calculations by just like mental maths. Okay, all right. So question number 2, it's of statistics. It comes mostly with this stem and leaf diagram. Okay, so you should have a very good grip on this topic. This is actually a stem and these are its leaves. Okay, now starting with the first part, what they're saying, you have to calculate the mode. You know what the mode is? The most repetitive value. Like the value which comes in most number of times in this group data, it's this. Okay, most repetitive value. All right, now the key as well. When there is one here, there's a line, and six here, it clearly states it's 16. Let's say 16, then 16, then 17, and so on. Okay. All right, the mode, the most repetitive value. So if you just see in a stem of 2, 7 is coming 3 times. It means 27, 27, 27. It's coming 3 times, right? So I can just simply say mode is 27, right? Okay, part 2, range. We clearly know what the range is. Range is the maximum value minus minimum value. Okay, now what is your maximum value? See, in a branch of 3, 31. 31 is your maximum value. And the minimum value is 16. Alright, the maximum value is 31 and the minimum value is 16. So 31 minus 16 and you're going to get your range as 15. Simple. Median. The word itself states median, the middle value, like the value on which either of the sides, the number of values should be the same. So it's gonna be your middle value. First, let's count how many are the number of values here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I know there should be actually a middle value before that and after that. It should be the same number of values. Okay, now it's clearly stated, like we can actually ultimately predict as well that it's going to be the 8, because from 1 till 7 and then 9 till 15 on each of the sides, here it's the 7 values and here there are 7 values as well, right? So it's clearly, we know it's going to be on the 8th position, like 7 behind and 7 after that. All right, so where is the 8th value? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means this is the 8th value. So it's going to be 2 and 5, 25. So your median, which you can say the middle value, is 25. Okay.